how do you spell your name?
E-L-E-A-N-O.
Oh, very good, Ellie. Yay!
E-L-E-A-N-O-R.
What's your last name? You remember?
Eleanor
Do you remember your middle name?
Eleanor Avery Galactic Pod.
That's right.
That's right.
And where do you live?
Maryland.
That's right. And what country do you live in? Do you remember?
Which one? Maryland.
Maryland. We live in the United States of... The United States of...
America.
That's right,
Very
America.
good.
And what planet do we live on?
The Earth.
And do we live inside the Earth?
Now we live on top of the Earth.
That's right. How do we get off of the Earth?
For a rocket ship.
Yay!